Hi everyone, welcome back to my another YouTube unboxing video. So it's been quite some time since my last upload on YouTube because I had so many assignments and final exams as well. So yeah, now it's time to have another unboxing of a new product. This time I bought a portable monitor because I am a student, so I want to have the flexibility of having a dual monitor anywhere that I can bring with me. So after did some research, I ended up to go with the UPerfect brand because I think they're one of the most reputable portable monitor brand out there. And actually the delivery process is about 1 week late than the scheduled time. So they actually sent me like the black case on the right, as you can see, and they gave it for free. But they said to me that it's actually for the 18-inch instead of the 16-inch that I bought. But I mean, I can still physically fit it inside, so it's free. Now let's focus towards the product itself. So this is essentially what you got from the box. And because I ordered this from Australia, so they sent me the Australian plug with the USB-C port on it. And the first cable that you get is the USB-C to USB-C cable. Essentially, this cable is your power cable as well as connection cable if you have a USB-C device to connect it to the portable monitor. The second cable that you get is the HDMI to mini HDMI. So if you have an HDMI port, you can also use that cable. Next, you will also get the manual book, so it's pretty handy for your startup instruction. Now let's go unwrap the plastic cover itself. So I actually buy this from their own official website because they have so many different products with different specification. So I recommend you to visit their website to see which product that suit you the most and also falls within your budget range. So the product that I bought here is the UPlays C2 120Hz monitor with 1600 pixel, and it's a 16-inch display with VESA mount on the back. So you really need to be specific on what you need, and they can provide you with many different options from their official website. The monitor itself can be detached from its magnet cover, and as you can see over here, it's pretty thin, so it can fit in your backpack easily. And on the back you have the VESA mount, so if you want to put it on a fixed VESA mount or VESA arm, then you can do that as well. For your magnet cover, it's a little bit tricky in the beginning, but essentially you only have the magnet at the top back side of your monitor. And this is the monitor with the cover on it. It's actually pretty easy to attach and detach because of the magnet material on it. And on the side we have the headphone port, and then a power button with some controls on it, also the menu slider, and a normal micro USB charging port. On the other side you have the two USB-C port, which also can be used for power, and also a mini HDMI port. Now let's put it back to its magnet case. And for this monitor, I bought it for $179 US, include a free shipping worldwide. So that's why I ordered from their website. So I tried to put it inside, and as you can see, it's definitely oversized, but the good thing is I can fit all like my MacBook, monitor, and iPad inside it, and it still fit. And also don't forget that they gave it for free. Another funny thing is that I use my laptop stand for the monitor itself, but I mean, I'll just use whatever I have for now. Let's turn it on. So this is a fixed plug, so you cannot change it like an adapter plug or something. So just plug it, and if you're like me, don't forget to toggle on the electric switch power. And this is the USB-C to USB-C cable. Note that you can also use this cable as a connection from, for example, like from your Mac USB-C to the monitor itself. So it acts also as a connection as well as power cable. And I tried to test the mini HDMI to HDMI cable as well. They use the mini HDMI port on the side of the monitor because it's a thin display, and for the HDMI you can plug it on your device. Now in my case, I'm still using the old MacBook Pro, so I'm basically still in the dongle community. Therefore, I tried to just plug it into my dongle and plug my dongle to the Mac. Now I also tried to use the Apple charging cable for the MacBook because it's also USB-C to USB-C cable, but in my case it doesn't work. So if you don't want to use HDMI but you wanted to use the USB-C to USB-C connection, then you can just use the black cable from UPerfect because only their cable work for any power or connection. Now this is the end setup. So thanks for watching my unboxing video. If you have any comments or question, just comment below, then I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.